Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a chicken keeper, you know that amazing feeling of finding a fresh egg in the nesting box. But what if you could get that feeling a little more often? Today, we're diving into 5 natural and simple ways to encourage your hens to lay more eggs. No weird supplements, just happy, healthy chicken keeping. First up, let's talk about light. Chickens need about 14 to 16 hours of light per day to maintain peak egg production. During the shorter days of fall and winter, their laying naturally slows down. You can supplement this with a low-wattage light bulb in the coop on a timer. Just set it to come on early in the morning so they get their full daylight hours. This simple trick can make a huge difference in keeping those egg baskets full year-round. Next, protein is key. Eggs are packed with protein, so it makes sense that hens need plenty of it in their diet to produce them. Make sure you're feeding a high-quality layer feed with at least 16% protein. You can also supplement their diet with high-protein treats like mealworms, sunflower seeds, or even scrambled eggs. Yes, you can feed eggs back to your chickens. It's a fantastic protein boost they'll absolutely love. Our third tip is all about reducing stress. A stressed-out chicken is not a laying chicken. Stress can come from many things: overcrowding, predators, loud noises, or even a bully in the flock. Make sure your coop has enough space, at least 4 square feet per bird inside and 10 square feet outside. Provide plenty of clean, dry nesting boxes, about 1 for every 4 hens. A calm and secure environment tells your hens it's a safe place to lay their eggs. Fourth on the list, fresh water and clean space. This sounds basic, but it's incredibly important. A hen's body is over 65% water, and an egg is about 75% water. They need constant access to clean, fresh water to stay hydrated and productive. Also, keeping the coop and nesting boxes clean prevents the spread of illness and parasites that can stop egg laying in its tracks. A clean coop equals a healthy, happy, and productive flock. Finally, let's not forget about free-ranging and foraging. Allowing your chickens to roam and peck for bugs, seeds, and greens is one of the best things you can do for them. This not only supplements their diet with extra nutrients, but also keeps them active and entertained, which reduces boredom and stress. The variety in their diet from foraging can also lead to richer, more flavorful yolks. So there you have it. More light, plenty of protein, a stress-free home, clean water and space, and lots of foraging time. By focusing on these 5 natural methods, you'll be on your way to a healthier flock and more delicious eggs than ever before. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more chicken keeping tips. See you next time.